Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID for your banking apps, follow these step-by-step instructions to add secure biometric authentication. Step 1. First, ensure Face ID is set up on your iPhone. Go to Settings, select Face ID and Passcode, and verify that Face ID is configured and working properly. Step 2. Open your banking app from your home screen. Most major banking apps support Face ID authentication for quick and secure access. Step 3. Navigate to the app's settings menu, usually found by tapping the menu icon or your profile icon within the app. Step 4. Look for security or login settings options. Common labels include security settings, login preferences, or biometric authentication. Step 5. Find the option to enable Face ID, Touch ID, or biometric login. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. Step 6. The app may prompt you to verify your identity by entering your current password, PIN, or username before enabling Face ID. Step 7. Once verification is complete, the app will request permission to use Face ID. Tap Allow or Enable when prompted by iOS. Step 8. Test the feature by logging out of your banking app completely, then reopening it. You should now be able to log in using Face ID instead of manually entering your credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.